Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Instagram chat theme not changing problem. Don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, update your Instagram official app and now search here for make sure updated and right here just Instagram and my Instagram apps already updated and go back. Now just open your phone settings and now just scroll down and see here apps, just tap on here and now search here just app Instagram and now go to Instagram, just now force stop and then OK and scroll down, just storage, tap on storage and now clear cache and go back, just one tap and now tap on permissions and all permissions make sure allow and then just restart your phone. After restart your problem will be solved. If your problem not solve this process, so you can follow my second process and then just open your Instagram official app and now just tap on down left corner, down right corner, just profile picture and now just tap on top right corner, just three horizontal line and just please white and scroll down and then scroll down, just see here help and then just report a problem and then just tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue and now write your problem, then send. Write this article and then send. I have finally 100% solved your problem. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.